Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download PowerPoint in laptop and PC. So let's get started. What we need to do is go and open up a browser like so and come to a search engine. Then what you need to do is go and type in Microsoft Office. That's what it's included in. What you need to do is go and scroll down and find office.com, or you could head directly there. So to go and get PowerPoint, you do need to have a subscription to Microsoft Office. If you already have one, that's fine. Or you may be part of an organization which has it otherwise. You can click Get Microsoft 365, which is also known as Office, and you can then go and subscribe after you have got one and subscribed. You can go and sign in, or go and sign in if you already have account. When you go and do that, you will be brought here. You can go and see I've got 365 personal, and we can head to the top right and press install apps. We'll go and get taken to the download page, which goes and looks like this. And then what we can do is we can go and choose the language. I can go and choose English, and we can then go and choose the version I just used, default. We can then press install. The setup file will go and download. We can go and locate it in our downloads. You get a security pop-up. You need to agree to it. Now it says we're getting things ready. Microsoft 365 and Office is now downloading, so be patient. Now I can come to the bottom and I can click on search, and I can go and type in PowerPoint, and then there it is. And you're also going to have the other Office apps as well, like Word, Excel, Outlook, etc. We can go and create a presentation, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.